When I discovered this, I started saving a lot on cleaning my house. Many cleaning products contain harsh chemicals, but a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative can be found in everyday household items. One such method is using a simple mixture to disinfect the toilet. First, prepare a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of salt to the bowl. Salt is particularly effective at removing limescale, which is a common problem in toilets. Next, add a cup of vinegar to the salt. Vinegar is well known for its disinfecting properties. Mix the salt and vinegar thoroughly. Once you have a uniform mixture, add 500 milliliters of water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. When the solution is ready, pour it into a spray bottle for easy application. Use this homemade cleaner just like you would any commercial cleaning product. Spray it on the toilet surface, scrub as usual, and watch as it effectively cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaning solution, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment.